The great tool debate: corded versus cordless. This is a question that has puzzled many DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Each type of tool has its own set of unique features and benefits, and understanding these can help you make the best choice for your specific needs. Choosing the right tools can make or break a project. The right tool can make your work easier, faster, and more efficient, while the wrong tool can lead to frustration, wasted time, and even potential injury. It's crucial to understand the strengths and weaknesses of both corded and cordless tools. It can be the difference between a job well done and a frustrating experience. Imagine working on a project and constantly having to stop because your tool's battery has died, or struggling with a cord that keeps getting in the way. These are common issues that can be avoided with the right choice of tools. One of the biggest decisions you'll face is whether to go corded or cordless. Corded tools are known for their consistent power and reliability, as they are directly connected to a power source. On the other hand, cordless tools offer unparalleled convenience and mobility, allowing you to work anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. Both types have their pros and cons. Corded tools generally provide more power and are ideal for heavy-duty tasks, but they can be cumbersome due to the need for a power outlet and the presence of a cord. Cordless tools, while more convenient and portable, often have limited battery life and may not be as powerful as their corded counterparts. Understanding these differences is key to picking the best tools for your needs. For instance, if you're working on a large construction site with easy access to power outlets, corded tools might be the way to go. However, if you're doing a lot of work in remote locations or need to move around frequently, cordless tools could be more beneficial. Whether you're a seasoned contractor or a weekend warrior, this guide will arm you with the knowledge to make an informed decision. It's not just about the tools themselves, but also about how you plan to use them and the specific requirements of your projects. We'll break down the advantages and disadvantages of each type. For example, corded tools are often more affordable and can run indefinitely as long as they are plugged in, making them ideal for long, continuous tasks. Cordless tools, however, offer the freedom to work in tight spaces and are perfect for quick jobs or tasks that require a lot of movement. By the end, you'll know exactly which tool is right for the job. Let's dive in. We'll explore real-world scenarios, user experiences, and expert opinions to give you a comprehensive understanding of corded versus cordless tools. So, whether you're drilling, sawing, or sanding, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to choose the best tool for your needs. Corded tools are the workhorses of the workshop and job site. They get their power from an electrical outlet. This simple design makes them reliable and typically more powerful than their cordless counterparts. They are a staple for tasks that require sustained power and consistent performance. These tools are essential for tasks like heavy-duty cutting, drilling, and demolition. They provide the consistent power needed for these demanding jobs. If you need raw power and reliability, corded tools are your go-to option. One of the biggest advantages of corded tools is their consistent power supply. As long as you're plugged into a working outlet, you'll have uninterrupted power. This is crucial for tasks that require continuous operation, like using a saw or a sander. Corded tools also tend to be more affordable than cordless options. This makes them a great value, especially for homeowners who might not use them every day. They are a cost-effective way to get the job done. While corded tools offer consistent power and affordability, they do have limitations. The most obvious drawback is the need for a power outlet. This limits your mobility and can be a real hassle in tight spaces or outdoor locations without readily available electricity. Another downside is the cord itself. Cords can be tripping hazards, especially in busy work areas. They also require careful management to prevent damage or tangling, which can be a frustrating experience. If you need freedom of movement, corded tools might not be the ideal choice. Cordless tools offer you freedom to work. Cordless tools have revolutionized the way we work. These tools are powered by rechargeable batteries. This gives you the freedom to move around without being tethered to an outlet. They are perfect for jobs where mobility is key. Cordless tools are also becoming increasingly powerful. Advancements in battery technology mean they can now handle many tasks that once required a cord. This makes them a versatile option for a wide range of projects. Cutting the cord. The biggest advantage of cordless tools is their portability. You can take them anywhere, regardless of outlet access. This is a huge plus for outdoor projects working at heights or in remote locations. Cordless tools are also incredibly convenient. There are no cords to trip over or manage. This allows you to focus on the task at hand without any distractions. They are a great choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who value efficiency and ease of use. The battery balancing act, however, provides certain disadvantages. While cordless tools offer unparalleled freedom and convenience, they do come with some drawbacks. The most significant of these is battery life. Cordless tools rely on batteries, which eventually run out of power. This can lead to interruptions and downtime, especially during lengthy tasks. Another consideration is that cordless tools generally have less power than their corded counterparts. While battery technology has improved, corded tools still reign supreme when it comes to raw power. This is something to keep in mind for heavy-duty tasks that require sustained force. When do you choose which type? Let's match tools to tasks. In this section, we will delve into the nuances of selecting the right tools for your specific tasks, ensuring efficiency and effectiveness in your projects. Choosing between corded and cordless tools often comes down to the specific project and your individual needs. Each type of tool has its own set of advantages and potential drawbacks, which can significantly impact your workflow and the quality of your work. If you're working on a large-scale renovation with easy access to power outlets, corded tools might be the best choice. These tools are known for their consistent power output, which is crucial for demanding tasks that require sustained performance over long periods. Their consistent power and affordability make them ideal for these types of projects. Corded tools are often more powerful than their cordless counterparts, making them suitable for heavy-duty tasks, such as cutting through thick materials or drilling into tough surfaces. On the other hand, if you're tackling a small project around the house or working in a location without easy outlet access, cordless tools are the way to go. These tools offer unparalleled convenience and flexibility, allowing you to move freely without being tethered to a power source. Their portability and ease of use are unmatched in these scenarios. Cordless tools are particularly beneficial for quick fixes and tasks that require mobility, such as assembling furniture, installing fixtures, or working in tight spaces where cords could become a hindrance. Additionally, advancements in battery technology have significantly improved the performance and longevity of cordless tools. Modern lithium-ion batteries provide longer run times and faster charging, making cordless tools more reliable and efficient than ever before. When deciding between corded and cordless tools, consider factors such as the duration and intensity of the task, the availability of power sources, and the need for mobility. By carefully evaluating these aspects, you can make an informed decision that enhances your productivity and ensures the success of your project. In summary, both corded and cordless tools have their unique strengths and are suited for different types of tasks. Understanding when to use each type can greatly improve your efficiency and the quality of your work. So, next time you're gearing up for a project, take a moment to match the right tool to the task at hand. The final verdict: choosing your perfect tool match. Ultimately, the best type of tool is the one that best suits your needs and the demands of the job. Whether you're tackling a major renovation or a simple DIY project, the right tool can make all the difference. It's not just about power or convenience, it's about finding the perfect balance that aligns with your specific requirements. Both corded and cordless tools have their place in the toolbox. Corded tools often provide consistent power and are ideal for heavy-duty tasks that require prolonged use. On the other hand, cordless tools offer unparalleled convenience and mobility, making them perfect for quick jobs and hard-to-reach areas. By weighing the advantages and disadvantages of each, you can confidently choose the right tool for the task. Consider factors such as the duration of the job, the location, and the type of material you'll be working with. For instance, if you're working in a remote area without easy access to power outlets, a cordless tool might be your best bet. Conversely, for tasks that require sustained power, a corded tool could be more reliable. Remember, the most important thing is to choose tools that are reliable, efficient, and help you get the job done right. Reliability ensures that your tools will perform well under various conditions, while efficiency helps you complete tasks faster and with less effort. Investing in high-quality tools can save you time and money in the long run. as they are less likely to break down and require frequent replacements. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY beginner, understanding the differences between corded and cordless tools will empower you to make informed decisions and achieve professional quality results. Knowledge is power, and by familiarizing yourself with the strengths and limitations of each type of tool, you can tackle any project with confidence. So take the time to research, compare, and test different tools to find your perfect match. Happy building!